5 munud I fynd.
Chef Dudley Newbury will have 5 days to prepare 8 Welsh celebrities for a majestic evening at the stunning Treyscawen Hall. They will have to prepare a complex 3-course meal for 80 award-winning producers from Anglesey and try to please previous Great British Menu winner Aled Williams, as well as head chef Mark Threadgill from the famous Podmerion Hotel. And what a 5 days it was. Conductor Tim Rhys-Evans and Olympian Aled Sean Davis will be drowned in mud. A high jump into the Atlantic for farmers' favourite Meinir Hywels and the terrified talent that is Tony Carroll. Llynos Lee from Heno had words with actress Rhian Jones about burgers.
Mae tîm oren yn twyllo unwaith eto I ffwrdd o'r... Nes I weld ti? Oh, cheat.
And presenters John Hardy and Morgan Jones had the odd moment of panic. They will be scared witless. They will feel pain. But will they succeed? Find out on this year's PRYD O SER.